The number of coronavirus cases and hospitalizations keep rising. At the same time, first responders in Houston are getting ready to get the first round of vaccines once the FDA approves one. Matt Doherty has more.
In the Texas Medical Center, hospital beds continue to be filled with COVID-19 patients. Although the numbers are half of what they were during the summer peak, they're moving in the wrong direction.
We are worried about the impact of the Thanksgiving holiday, which we don't believe we've seen yet. Maybe another 5 to 7 days before we see the early indication.
It has Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner once again saying he's considering the possibility of a curfew.
And I'm looking at all the indicators, and if they're all clearly going in the wrong direction, then yes. The one step that is within my powers to utilize that have not been taken by the governor would be like a curfew.
This week, 8.8% of the Houston area's COVID-19 tests came back positive. That's up a little bit from last week's 8.4%. The Houston Health Department says 500 local providers have signed up to start distributing vaccines once one is approved. They'll initially be given to first responders.
Paramedics, those that are on the ambulance, or are apt to be assigned to an ambulance.
Houston Fire Department Chief Samuel Pena says he already has a list of 1,500 first responders ready to be vaccinated. Hospitals like Memorial Hermann and Methodist are getting ready to vaccinate as many of their workers as possible, but getting it will be voluntary. Matt Doherty, KHEU 11 News.
And we know so many of you have questions about the vaccine, and we're helping you get all the facts with our special series, The Best Shot. Get the latest info by texting the word vaccine to the number on your screen there, 713-526-1111. We'll text you back with the links to the latest stories.